Hello.
Hello, sir.
Okay, we'll do maths today. We had finished quadratic. Uh, we'll start with sequence and series.
Okay.
What are you doing at home in
So
maths?
I'm still doing planes.
Vectors and 3D.
Yes, 3D, focusing a bit more on planes.
Okay, just give me 2 minutes.
Hmm.
Okay, let 755. There are R digits here. 7 denote the R plus 2 digit number. Now consider the sum. S is equal to 77 plus 757 plus 7557, so on till 755. There are 98 terms here, fives. Now, if S is equal to 755 99 fives, 7 plus m by n, where m and n are natural numbers less than 3000. Find m plus n. JEE Advanced 2023. You should consider the general number like this and try to write the expansion of that and then think of how to add it.
Right.
Are you getting some kind of pattern?
Yes, sir. I'm just confused about adding one of these parts.
So,
If,
which part?
sir, so it's, if we split it, it's like 70 plus 7, and then 700 plus 50 plus 7, and then 7,000 plus 550 plus 7, and so on. So,
You should not write it like this. Don't split it like that. Split it as, don't say 70, say 7 into 10.
yes, sir. So then we take the common
This
amount.
is this one. Then the second one is 7 into
7
10
into 100.
square
Yeah.
plus 5 into 10 plus 7,
Hmm.
right?
Yes, sir.
And 7 into 10 cube plus 5 into 10 square plus 5 into 10 plus 7.
Hmm.
The last term would be 7 into, this is a 100-digit term. So 7
10
into,
power 99.
uh, 7 into 10 power 99 plus
Yeah.
5 into 10 power 98
Hmm.
plus so on till 5 into 10 plus 7,
Plus
right?
7. Yes, sir.
So 7 into 10 type of terms, there are these and these till here.
Till 99. Yes, sir.
So 7 common, it is 10 plus 10 squared till 1099.
Hmm. Sum of GP. That's
Then 5 into 10, 5 into 10 square, and so on, right?
yeah.
So, and then there is these terms also. One second. So maybe we can take, so the last term here also has a 50 if you see.
Yes, sir.
This also has a 50. This also has a 50. So we can take possibly 50 common and you will have 1 from here
Hmm.
and you would have 1 plus 10 from here, right?
Right.
If you think of the next term, it would have been 5 into 10 cube plus 5 into 10 square plus 5 into 10. So
So
then you would have taken 50
right.
common, you would have gotten 1 plus 10 plus 100, right?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, so the first term here has 1,
Hmm.
and how many such terms are there? It goes on till 10
Uh,
power 1 to 10 power 98.
Yes,
So
sir.
98 terms are there, right?
Hmm.
So you start off with a 1, then you go to 11, then you go to 111, right?
Yes, sir.
So 98 ones, right? In the
Yes.
last one.
Yes.
111 98 times, I think.
Hmm.
Plus 7 is coming in each of the terms.
Hmm. So that's 99.
100 terms are there, no? How many terms are there in the series? 99.
99.
0 to 98, okay. And 99 terms are there, so 99 into 7.
Yes, sir.
So now we have to add, this is a simple GP. We have to add this, right?
Yeah.
So for adding that, it would be easy. Like think about it, how you would add it. So the first term is obvious, right?
Hmm.
That would be what? 7
Equal
into,
to 10 power 99 minus 1 by 9.
so first term is 10 and there are how many terms? 99 terms. So it is 10 power 99 minus 1 by r minus 1.
Hmm.
You have forgotten the 10.
Oh, so I wrote it as 70 here. My bad.
So you have to, it's a GP sum. So you have to put the A, right?
Yeah.
This is the sum for this one. Then after
Hmm.
that, you don't want to do this directly. What you should do is divide by 9 and multiply by 9. It will become what? 9 plus 99 plus so on.
Right.
That can be written as 10 minus 1 plus 100 minus 1,
Oh,
right?
right.
Plus, for example, when there are two ones, it is 10 square minus 1. When there are 98 nines, it would be 10 power 98 minus 1,
Right.
right?
Yes, sir.
Basically, we are dividing and multiplying by 9 to make it 999, 99, 999, and so on.
Hmm.
And then the sum is easy. Again, it is 10 to 10 power 98.
Hmm.
So you would just calculate it by this formula again. But this time it will be 10 into 10 power 98 minus 1 by 10 minus 1.
Minus 1.
And minus, there are how many terms? There are 98 terms, so minus 98.
Yes, sir.
And whole thing is multiplied by 50 by 9.
Hmm.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
And then add a 99 into 7 to that. So now you should keep it as it is for now, simplify it a little bit, and then expand this to understand what this is so that we can get a sense of finally how to get M and N,
Right. Okay.
right?
Yes, sir.
So it is just a little bit long calculations, that's all.
Hmm.
You should try to finish it off at the yourself. There is no like very difficult concept here. It's just calculations. You have to be careful and not make mistakes. That's all, right?
Hmm. Right.
The answer is 1219. M is 1200. Uh, which one is M? M is 1210 and N is 9. You should verify it later. Do finish it off later.
Yes, sir.
But the idea is when you have to add 1 and 11 and all, it is best to multiply and divide by 9,
Hmm.
right?
Right.
And before that, what we did was we took 50 common, and that's how we got 1 and 1 plus 10 and 1 plus 10 plus 100 and so on.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, Next one is let A1, A2, A3 be an AP with A1 equals 7 and common difference equals 8. let T1, T2, T3 be such that T1 equals 3 and Tn plus 1 minus Tn equals An for n greater than equal to 1. Which of the following statements is correct? T20 is 1604. Summation of k goes from 1 to 20. Tk is 10,510. T30 is 3454. And D, summation k goes from 1 to 30 Tk is 35610. Which of the following statements is correct? Uh, then one more question I'm writing down. Try both of them. Let M be minimum possible value of in question 2, finally you have to find log base 2 small m square plus log base 3 capital M square.
Okay.
Small m is minimum possible value of this expression under these restrictions, and capital M is maximum possible value of this expression
Hmm.
under the similar type of restrictions.
Yes, sir.
So try both of them. You have 10 minutes, 5 minutes for each question. See how
Okay.
much you can do. Let me know if you've gotten any answers for second one.
Yes. So the first one is multi-correct.
Hmm.
Right?
Which answer have you gotten? Any answer have you gotten?
I got C is correct.
Hmm.
Uh, just,
C is correct, and you should be able to find this also then.
yes, one second.
If one of them is right, that means your pattern is correct. That means you can get the sum, right?
Hmm.
See, the point is that A1 is completely known, this series.
Yeah.
You can get AN directly by saying 7 plus n minus 1 into 8.
Yeah.
And from this equation you can get patterns of, okay, so if I put n is equal to 1, I get t2 minus t1 is a1, so
Hmm.
t2 is t1 plus a1.
Plus A1. Yeah.
Similarly, t3 will be t2 plus a2,
Hmm.
but if you put t2 in as t1 plus a1, there you get t1 plus
T1
a1 plus
plus
a2.
A1 plus A2.
So
Hmm.
T3 is coming as T1 plus A1 plus A2. Similarly, you'll see that T4 will be T1 plus A1 plus A2 plus A3.
Plus A3. Yeah.
So similarly, you can now find Tn, which will be T1 plus A1 plus A2 till An minus 1, right?
Yes, which is just summation.
This sum we can do because we know the sequence.
Yes.
And then you get Tn in terms of T1 and this n dependent on n expression. And
Hmm.
T1 was already given. So then we can find everything here, right?
Yeah.
So it's just about calculating and not making errors, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Right.
that we'll move on from. Go to question 3 then.
Hmm. Sir, 6.
1 second. You are using ANGM.
Yes, sir.
Let me check the answer. No, something is wrong. Something has gone wrong. The answer is not 6. Check your calculations once more.
Sir, small m is 4 and
Capital
capital
M
M is
is
3.
incorrect. Check capital M once more. Small m is 4 is correct.
1 second. Sir, capital M is 3.
Capital M is capital M is 3. So the answer will be what?
Yes, sir. So log 2 of 4 square will give us 4. And then log 2 of 3 square will give us 2, right? So 6.
This is log 3 of m square.
Yes, sir. So log 3 only. So 3 square becomes 2, right?
Wait, what is going on? Capital M is 3, small m is 4. That's what you are getting, right?
Yeah.
So the answer that they have given is wrong then, because capital M is 3, then it is getting 2 is coming from there, and from here it is coming. So you made a mistake here, no? Log 2 of small m. What is small m?
4.
What is log 2 of 64? Log 2
Sir,
of 16. Yeah.
4.
So 4. Okay, answer is 6. They have given the wrong answer. Okay, both places you have to use ANGM. That's all right.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, okay, next question is, let L1, L2 till L100 be the consecutive terms of an AP with common difference D1, W1, W2, W100 are consecutive terms of an AP with common difference D2. D1, D2 is equal to 10 for each I is equal to 1, 2, 3 till 100. Let capital Ri be a rectangle with area AI and length Li and width Wi. These are length and width. If A51 minus A50 is 1000, find A100 minus A90. Are you stuck somewhere?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see what we know. We know that A51 minus A50 is given to us, right?
Hmm. 1,000.
Basically, that is 1000.
Hmm.
A51 will be L51 W51
Hmm.
minus L50 W50,
Yes.
and that can be written as uh, we can give like first term and common difference for these L sequences and the W sequences. We
Yeah.
can say, let's say the first term of this sequence is A and the first term of this sequence is B.
Hmm.
Common difference is anyway D1 and D2. So we can
Yeah.
write L51 now as A plus 50 D1, and this is B plus 50 D2, correct?
Yeah.
Minus you have A plus 49 D1
Hmm.
and B plus 49 D2.
Hmm.
So from here we can get AB will get cancelled, and you have 50 AD2 plus 50 BD1 plus 2500 D1 D2 minus 49 BD1 minus 49 AD2 minus there will be 2401 D1 D2.
Even
So you are getting basically BD1 and AD2 plus 99 D1 D2
Hmm.
is equal to 1000. We already know D1 D2 is 10, so this is 990.
Yes.
So we are getting BD1 plus AD2 is 10,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
In the same manner, we'll calculate A100 minus A90, and that would be L100 W100 minus L90 W90, and that would be A plus 99 D1 and B plus 99 D2 subtracted from A plus 89 D1 and B plus 89 D2, right?
Yes.
Again, AB will get cancelled, right?
Yeah.
What will be left is 99 BD1 plus 99 AD2 plus 99 square D1 D2 minus 89 BD1 minus 89 AD2 minus 89 square D1 D2. So this will become 10 and 10, 10 BD1 plus 10 AD2 plus you have D1 D2 into 99 square minus 89 square, right?
Yeah.
This is BD1 plus AD2 is 10. So this is 100 here and this is 10 here into this, right?
Hmm.
100 plus 10 into 10 into 99 plus 89,
Yeah.
correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is 190 minus 2, 100 plus 90 minus 2. So 188, right? 18,800 plus 100, 18,900.
900.
So ultimately, it's simple calculation. If you complicate it too much, it will be difficult. Like
Yes.
the data is given, all you need is to write this expression. The only thing you have to assume was first term of each sequence, that's all.
Yes, sir.
If you had assumed first term of each sequence and used the conditions, you would have gotten this, and then same operation you have to do again. You would have just basic calculations.
Yes, sir.
And you can see the pattern in all of these problems. It's that the questions on sequence and series, because the topic is so easy, it will be a little long and calculation intensive.
Hmm.
It will not be like super obvious stuff. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But ultimately, all of the problems are doable by like basic methods. There's nothing new that is coming that is surprising or something,
Right.
right? Okay, there is a paragraph question. You should try this out as homework. So let M is the set of ordered pairs xy belonging to real cross real such that x square plus y square is less than equal to r square, where r is greater than 0. Consider the geometric progression, the GP, with an is equal to 1 by 2 power n minus 1 for n goes from 1 to so on. Let S0 equals 0 and for n greater than equal to 1, let Sn be the sum of first n terms of this GP. Okay. For n is greater than equal to 1, let Cn denote the circle with center Sn minus 1 comma 0 and radius an, and dn denotes the circle with center Sn minus 1 comma Sn minus 1 and radius an. Okay. Now, first question is, consider M with R is equal to 1025 by 513. Let K be the number of all those circles Cn that are inside M. Let L be the maximum possible number of circles among those K circles such that no two circles intersect. So basically consider M with the value of R being this number. K is the number of all the circles Cn that are inside M, and L is the maximum possible number of circles among these K such that no two circles intersect. Then we have to, have you written down so far what you have written?
Yes, sir.
All of this have you written, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have to select the options. K plus 2L is equal to 22. 2K plus L is equal to 26. 2K plus 3L is equal to 34. And D, 3K plus 2L is equal to 40. This is the first question. And second question is, question 2 for the paragraph is, consider M with R is equal to 2 power 199 minus 1 times root 2 divided by 2 power 198, the number of all all those circles dn, all those circles dn that are inside M is what? The options are 198, 199, 200, and 201. So don't get scared by the way the question is looking. Just first of all, look at the paragraph, analyze what is SN, find out SN general term, find out the CN circles where their centers are, what their radius is, and the DN circles. Then you can start looking at each of the individual problems. Two of the problems are there. Both of the problems relate to how many circles are inside the region M? The region M is a circle of radius r centered at the origin, the interior of it, right?
Right.
So all of the circles that you have figured out, CN and DN circles, you have to figure out how many of them will be inside that big circle.
Yes, sir.
So try it out. Try these two questions as homework. The next class will continue with sequence and series only, and after that we'll do physics.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. That's all for now then. We'll continue from here.
Yes. Thank you.